will you, if you get those Irish eyes? And before she left Killarney, did your mother kiss the Blarney? She didn't? Oh, get on her. For a bit of